Hello, today is Thursday, February 18th, 2016. My name is Daniel Mullaney and I'm filming a video source inspection for Sitek Process Solutions. Today we're reviewing a repair that was performed on an HTC 8030 external water heater system. What was reported as the issues with this system is this central heating column right here was having water wicking up through the casing right there, in through to the electrical, and down through all in here. When we received this tool, there was significant rust throughout this entire electrical chassis here. As you can even see how the numbers change from black to blue. Those are parts that were actually replaced in here because the damage was too much. Other than that though, as you can see, it's been completely cleaned and reworked, and all the wires have been taken into consideration and addressed. Initially, we hoped to replace our customer's heater column, or to repair our customer's heater column. There was a crack inside, which is what allowed the water to wick. We were unable to repair there, so we replaced with a unit right here. This laser pointer that I'm using is also a temperature gun, so I'll show you right here. First, the far column. That's one of our customer's columns. Here's the middle. I'll reset it right here. Here's the middle column. Okay, now the middle column is going to go to 53. Okay, now I'm going to reset it real quick. And the last column, 52. So as you can see, the columns are heating up appropriately. We also have a temperature controller hooked up to it right now. This temperature controller will not be used in its field application. Temperature controller is only here to mimic the feedback that this box would get from the HTC 8030 system. Lastly, we have some lights right here. These guys are going to go on as we run water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and behind here, this valve right there is directly hooked up to the heater box. We're going to go ahead and get the water flowing. Alright, so now as the water flows through the system, there you go, you'll see those heaters turn back on. What the heaters are doing, that lets you know if the heaters are heating up or not, and they're doing so because now we have cold water flushing through the system in throughout all three of these tanks. I can also come over here and demonstrate a little bit. It's going to be a little tough, but the water flowing out as best I can read out of the drain is about 50 C as well. It'll actually be hotter once this guy runs, and if you were to have an official reading of the water, of course I'm just using a surface temperature gun here, which is great, but not the best mode of measurement for the actual temperature of the liquid. Alright, so that being said, that sums up the service that we performed on this HTC system, highlighting the removal of the rust and the cleaning of the wires, as well as preventing wire wicking in the future by replacing this center column, and by also working on to some anti-wire wicking procedures on these top wire casings. Thank you for taking the time to view. My name is Daniel Mullaney and I filmed this video source inspection for Sitek Process Solutions. Please give us a call if you have any questions at 916-797-9000, and my extension is 121. Thank you. Have a great day.